Start dropshipping on Shopify for free. Howdy! Have you ever wanted to start a business online, but only wanted to handle a few of the logistics of shipping and delivery of inventory? Great, my buddy, outsourcing on Shopify themes is the arrangement. You won't even have to look at the products you're selling if you sign up for their free 14 days of trial. Pick your items and arrangements, locate your retail, and start producing banks. To keep everything going smoothly, you can choose one of their fair monthly options after 2 months. Lit outsourcing with the Shopify site is simple. They oversee installments, Shopify stock, and everything. You simply find the items and customers. Get started right away to see where this new revenue stream takes you. The e-commerce world is waiting. Start with Shopify dropshipping by signing up for a free 14-day trial. Create your retail store and Shopify account first, before any rates are implemented. You will have 2 months to construct your solutions and personalize your concept. To connect with suppliers, settle on items and answers for offer. Find the most popular items in your particular field by browsing Oberlo or AliExpress. Embed them towards your keep and laid out serious accusations. Industry your shop. Construct watchers on long-range interpersonal communication. To start a site, give advancements and mark down codes to create guests for your new retailer. Email promoting is generally basic. Control requests and installments. When benefits start coming in, fulfill orders directly from your providers. Shopify makes it to be direct-to-strategy installments. Screen stock and supply tremendous client help. Once the necessities are installed, you can begin operating your own Shopify dropshipping business right away. The possibilities to scale and improve are incalculable. Deal with your Shopify outsourcing retail location. When your time for testing closes, you'll need to pick a need to keep the retail location working. For brand new suppliers, the basic Shopify program is an excellent starting point. For $29 per month, you get a web-based keep, blog, and, surprisingly, more. As your independent company develops, you could move up to your Shopify estimating framework. For best-in-class announcing and present cards, outsourcing with Shopify is direct. You might embed stock from providers straightforwardly to your retail outlet, at the point when a singular buys from you. Shopify regularly buys the item from the provider and it has it sent directly to your purchaser. You not the slightest bit even ought to see the arrangement. Shortly's backend dashboard will in general make running your keep a breeze. An overview of customers, orders, and payments will be provided to you. The dashboard additionally conveys audits to get experiences. How your retailer is performing. With the snap of a button, you'll have the option to fulfill orders, issue discounts, or call clients. Boosting item deals in the Shopify application retail outlet. Shopify's application store is comprised of the north of 3 applications. Shopify, which will assist with expanding your retail outlet's income. Deals and coupon codes are a straightforward procedure to produce extra clients and raise request values. Apps on Shopify, like Coupon Boss and Coupon Code Generator, and Limited Learn license you to rapidly foster coupon crusades. You could give share decreases, dollars off, free conveyance, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Upsells and item bundles also encourage customers to spend significantly more per buy. The items packs application licenses you to create heaps of pertinent products at a lower cost. Upsell and cross-give brief customers to remember corresponding things for their trucks. Abandoned truck recuperation applications. Like truck relinquishment, Proficient regularly emails clients who has disappeared objects in their trucks. Up to 10% of abandoned carts can be reclaimed. This straightforward follow-up. The Shopify apps ecosystem has a lot of ways to make more money and grow your business. Take advantage of a few of these useful applications to get the most out of your Shopify App Store. Kicking off Shopify outsourcing, your manual to giving without having stock. Sign up for a for-nothing 14 working day preliminary. The least demanding method for starting outsourcing. Shopify specialists are to sign up for their free 14-day preliminary. Before signing up for the compensated plan, you will have 2 months to set up your store, select Shopify winning products to sell, and begin marketing your business. Pick a value and get ready. Soon after your demo is done, choose a valuing Shopify app marketplace that matches your inclinations and spending plan. Decisions range from $29 per month for their fundamental need to $2.99/multi-day period for their imaginative plan. Practically every framework integrates abilities like purchasing the executives, stock checking, and an installment handling to streamline dealing with your keep. Find things to advance. Unquestionably, quite possibly of the greatest extraordinary things about outsourcing dropshipping in Shopify, you do want not to stock or boat things yourself. You'll have the option to incorporate items from the distributors list to the retailer and have them transport requests to your clients. Examine to find moving arrangements with huge revenues in an unmistakable fragment you are keen on. Start advertising once your store is up and running and your products are chosen. Use social media marketing, blogging, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Other methods to get people to your Shopify website. The ever-increasing number of individuals who finds your store, the more item deals and pay you could make. Direct requests and installments. Shopify applications hurry up to deal with requests, installments, and transport. They provide equipment for automatically notifying wholesalers when a buy is made. As a result, the product or service is frequently shipped to the customer. Also, they give safe installment handling and misrepresentation assessments to be certain all exchanges are innocuous. With Shopify, starting a dropshipping business is simple and free. Exploit their demo to make your retailer and begin publicizing at present. How to build your online store using Shopify dropshipping. Now that you have started your free 14-day trial, it is time to build your online store. Pick an idea from outsourcing organizations. Shopify determination to alluring. Sell improved subjects to introduce your Shopify stores as an expert appearance. Their free subjects are completely adaptable, so you can match your model. Merge items and arrangements. Search the Shopify Topics application store with the Oberlo application and introduce it. Oberlo will allow you to import fall flipped arrangements from providers squarely. Your Shopify and outsourcing. Pick items that match your retailer's subject, which you figure your focus on shoppers will wish to put resources into. Set up installment. Shopify gives extremely basic installment handling via enormous doors like PayPal and Stripe. You will get cash straightforwardly inside your financial record, and Shopify handle PCI consistency for you. Start web showcasing. With the merchandise stacked and installments good to go, center around directing people to your new retail outlet. You runs contests and promotions, starts a blog, and uses social media. The more individuals investigate your store, the more pay you will make. With just enough time and exertion, you'll have a provocative, totally working web-based business retail location. Keep up with improving and web advertising your store to build your outsourcing association on the Shopify application store. The possibilities are limitless. Shopify outsourcing. Tips from online business Shopify experts for amateurs. As a beginner drop transporter, focus on finding remunerating stock. Spend some time researching new products that are in high demand but limited in supply. Additionally, ensure that the products have a large profit margin to enable you to continue making money even after taking into account marketing and fulfillment costs. Engage in active product marketing. Use online entertainment showcasing stages like Facebook and Instagram to advertise your answers. Run adverts to new straightforwardness guests to your keep. Put up product shots, blog posts, and information about what goes on behind the scenes to interact with all your followers. To keep in touch with customers, create an email checklist and send out regular newsletters. Rate things seriously. Take a gander at it. What different traders are charging for comparable or identical items and arrangements? You'll need to cost a little satisfactory to get clients, but better adequate than wrenching out a decent income edge. Work advancements and gross deals to enliven transformations. Offer superb client care. Answer questions and deal with problems quickly and professionally. Circumstance discounts. Outsourcing utilizing Shopify is generally a little gamble organization model. Yet accomplishment relies on finding the right things. Effective showcasing and promoting serious evaluating, and heavenly client care. If you follow the advice in this article, you will be well on your way to creating profitable Shopify and dropshipping. Shopify store businesses. Is Shopify outsourcing suitable for your undertaking? An honest survey. Shopify may be a decent stage for outsourcing. But be that as it may, it relies upon your association's requests and targets. Charge like an expense-free 14-working-day demo. Shopify web-based Shopify online shopping has diminished. The gamble of giving a shot is further than that. Programs start at $29 per month, so it could match more modest spending Shopify plans. But charges can quickly rise. For large product catalogs or large sales volumes, you'll likewise repay exchange charges on essentially every deal. Simple of purpose. Shopify winning items are clear to set up and make do. You'll have the option to quickly increment merchandise and move toward installments. Notice stock and handle delivery. The connection point is instinctive, so you don't need particular abilities. Having said that, the framework's effortlessness additionally shows confined customization. Shopify partners may frustrate you if you must highly customize capabilities. Product sourcing: you will need to locate suppliers and import information about their products or services. My Shopify has an application to keep up with obtaining gear. Yet screening outsourced providers, in any case, will take perform. On the off chance of obtaining and bringing in various products. In some cases, requests may become oppressive. Help. Shopify online store offers 24/7 directions for all procedures. Having reliable help is essential for beginners. But help reaction times and knowledge levels vary. And the basic system has the fewest options. In synopsis, the Shopify application Commercial Center is many times basic. Little worthwhile method for beginning outsourcing. But as your small business expands, ensure that it continues to fulfill your requirements. With any framework, do your review to scan out the right counterpart for your association's objectives. Shopify and outsourcing. To start outsourcing with Shopify, sign up for their free 14-working-day demo. This offers both of you weeks to make your retail outlet, pick a product to give, and begin publicizing your private venture, before focusing on a few paid-out courteous fellows. After your free trial expires, Shopify offers many Shopify pricing options. The Essential Shopify program is $29 every 30 days and is brilliant for hitting new providers. The Shopify plan at $79 every month offers significantly more unrivaled qualities for raising undertakings. The Advanced Shopify plan, which costs $299 per month, is ideal for growing businesses. With any arrangement, you'll get an easy-to-use retail location, stock and request the executives, installment handling, and conveyance. Outsourcing with Shopify empowers you to advance products without keeping any stock. Your list is from a company's catalog, and if you make a sale, you buy the product from your company and have it delivered to your customer right away. You keep the monetary benefit edge among the provider's discount selling cost alongside your retail cost. It's a hands-free method for running an e-commerce business. Storefy helps make outsourcing straightforward. Their application store has applications to assist you with uncovering products and positioning orders with providers, tracking stock, and tackling transport, also to significantly more. You will get anything set up in a couple of days and become publicizing in the blink of an eye. Dropshipping company's Shopify is the best way to start a web-based retail business without having to worry about inventory. Today, sign up for your free trial. Dropshipping using Shopify is simple and free to get started with. To build your online store, you must sign up for the 14-day free trial offered by Shopify. Choose products and services with files from suppliers that offers dropshipping, which means that they will ship orders directly to your customers. You deal with advertising and sales, the remaining is handled by suppliers. After 2 months, select a plan that meets your needs, such as the basic plan for $29 per month or the advanced plan for $299 per 30-day period. Shopify can make taking care of your organization simple. Check stock, requests, and installments in a single put. Outsourcing with Shopify allows you to advertise things without the difficulty of loading transportation and conveyance. Focus on item deals and promoting. Find moving arrangements people need and fabricate your retail outlet. Publicize via virtual entertainment advertising. After you concoct a deal, the provider transports the buy for your buyer alongside your marking. You keep the money without worrying about whether you'll be happy. Shopify makes it free to try dropshipping. Be your manager as you build your online empire. The sky's the breaking point.